Welcome to 13181 15A Avenue, nestled in the picturesque neighborhood of Ocean Park in South Surrey, British Columbia. I'm Sharon Greysen, Sutton West Coast Realty. I'm excited to showcase to you this exceptional Craftsman home today. This custom-designed and quality-built home sits on a 7,900 square foot, fully landscaped and fenced lot, just a short stroll from the charming village of Ocean Park. From the moment you step into the front foyer, you'll be captivated by the exquisite workmanship and the meticulous attention to detail. The open concept living area is perfect for entertaining, featuring stunning custom millwork and beautiful stained glass windows that adorn every corner of the home. The kitchen is a chef's dream, designed with both style and functionality in mind. Escape to the sanctuary of the main floor primary bedroom, boasting a wall of custom cabinetry, breathtaking windows, and a private patio overlooking the meticulously landscaped gardens, a perfect spot for your morning coffee. Step outside and immerse yourself in the tranquility of the masterfully planned landscaping, featuring secluded seating areas, a relaxing hot tub, and plenty of unique storage solutions. The detached studio offers endless possibilities for creative endeavors. With its proximity to shops, Crescent Beach, White Rock Beach, and just 45 minutes to Vancouver, this location truly offers the best of coastal living. Don't miss out on making this spectacular home yours.